I was about to not do a project for this lesson since all we did was change colors and learn about comments and stuff, but I suddenly came up with a terrible, garbage, inefficient idea. But better than nothing, and we can practice our color changing. But let me know what you guys think of this idea. I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna do it. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying. Let's go. So my idea is I'm gonna have like a I'm gonna have a nice little grid of 8 by 8 blocks. Actually, we can change this to 4 since it's all 4s. And I'm just duplicating with Control D. You can select all of these, Control D, select all of these, Control D, Control D, and then Control D. And now I have a 8 by 8 grid. Now, I have to rename all of these depending on where they are. So this one's going to be named A. I'll name this AA. The first letter is for the row, and then, yeah, so on. So this will be AB, AC, and so on. And now we're in row B. This is going to be B, column A, and BB, BC, and so on. So yeah, it's going to take me forever, but have fun watching me suffer. Already messed up. Hopefully Roblox doesn't ban me for saying GF. Okay, I think I'm done. I think that all looks right. Now, my idea is I'm gonna take like a picture and like split it up into 64 parts and then make a color for each pixel, and then I'm gonna use the script to color them to practice changing color. So I straight up burglarized this picture of a tree. And I don't think it's gonna look too good because of I need like big, just try it. I just have to split this up into 64 pieces, and give me a sec. Okay, I have to do it with my eyes. Okay, I just started down the middle. Oh, wait, let me do a new layer. Let's start down the middle. This grid is not helping. Well, maybe a different color, maybe red. Okay, now I'll split this half in half, and then I'll split each of these in half. Same thing on this side. Okay, now we do it cross. I'm doing it on new layers just so I don't have to see the other line. This line in half, one in half, one in half. Then I gotta split this in half, this in half, this in half. Oh, that actually looks decent. Okay, it definitely doesn't look decent anymore. But okay. Now we just have to decide what color to give each of these pixels. Let me just merge these two down. And I'll give it a border so I can use the fill tool. Beautiful. Okay, so this color is looking pretty white with a hint of blue. So let's go ahead and take like something like that. Oh, too much tolerant. Yeah, this is basically, you see, like this one has a lot more white, so I'll make it a lot more white for that. Bam. And now we'll just see how it's gonna end up looking, and hopefully, we'll get something that looks something like a tree once I'm done suffering again. Wow, look at this beautiful tree. It looks just like a tree. I should have done something like fatter, that could look okay, but maybe you could make out it's a tree, maybe, if you try hard enough. Before and after, before and after. You can see it. You can see it, right? You can see it. Yeah. At first, my idea was to just do like a median color out of everything that appears. Then I started doing the color that appears the most. I'm not sure which strategy was better, but this is what it ends up like. Now the fun part, we get to do it in a script. So I have to check block by block by block on the art thingy and then match it up and make this the color on here. Sorry for all the time lapses in this video, but this is the idea I came up with. Sorry, I don't want you to go through all this in slow motion like I'm doing it. But yeah, I thought it was interesting enough to make a video at least. I don't know. Anyways, let me just go do it now. Alrighty, so I have this much done and I just want to test it out to see everything's working the way I want it to. I told you last time that if you watch these project videos, you get the insider scoop, you get that personal, you get that deep dive, get those tips and tricks. So one thing you can do if you have code, and this was going to give me an error because I haven't filled in the colors yet, I can just comment this all out and it won't affect the code if you highlight it and press Control slash hit comment set. Or since we're in the script tab up here, you can hit this button toggle comment, it does the same thing. It'll toggle it on and off, you see? Or you can just use Control slash as well. So let's go ahead and test this out, make sure everything's going as planned. Beautiful. You can already tell this is going to be a beautiful tree. So now we can put this back and keep working. Okie dokie, I am finally done. And this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and test out our quote unquote tree. Yo, this actually doesn't look that bad, except I clearly messed up on some places. Let me compare. I definitely messed up on HH, is it? Definitely probably messed up on CE. And I thought I messed up here, but that's actually right. Let's go ahead and fix that real quick. Stop it. Row C. You see why it's so nice to comment stuff? Row C. CE. Very bright green. And this is C, A, B, C, D, E. B7, 119. Oh, it's 135. I put too much green in there. And then HH. Also excited to finish. I messed up, I guess. 75. It's 187. Bam. I probably messed up some other places, but I can't tell. Let's look at this tree. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, you can kind of see a tree if you zoom out a little bit. You can kind of see it. This is pretty cool. How there's nothing there and then you just start the script, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not gonna call it a success yet. I'm gonna get Sav in here and ask her if she can recognize what it is, and if she can, then it's a success. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, do you recognize this?
Looks like a square.
Good. Do you recognize it now?
It still looks like a square. Oh, I don't know what that is.
If you had to guess.
I don't know. A Minecraft something, a flower, something naturey.
Yeah, something naturey.
A tree?
A tree, yeah.
Oh,
It's a tree. I spent 55 minutes doing this.
really?
Yeah, I had to color each block individually.
Oh my goodness. Was it worth it?
And I had to get a picture of a tree and then grid it out
Oh my gosh.
and then find the right color. Yeah.
My mans. Why?
I didn't know what else to do for the project.
Oh,
Like the tree.
I like the tree. It's nice.
I stole this image. Don't sue me, please.
I'm not gonna sue you.
Okay, thank you. This is gonna be sold as an NFT, so make sure you put your money where your mouth is. You said it was nice,
I didn't say I was gonna pay for it.
but it's a nice tree, you said.
It's a nice tree.
Whoa, you know that optical illusion where you can like see dots in between? That's happening to me right now.
Oh, I can see it too.
Yeah, you're not here for
Oh,
just game dev. It's optical illusions too, and NFTs.
oh, I'm here for a lot of reasons.
Yeah, so that's it.
Okay. Hello?
I only need you to answer one question.
Oh, okay.
How are you feeling?
I feel fine.
All right, thank you.
That's it?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kidding.